It is the desire of every parent to provide quality education to their children with the hope that they will utilize the opportunity to the best of their advantage. Some parents do this because they think it is a way of providing a good future for their wards. They also do this so that when their children gain employment in future, they can in return take good care of them in their old age. Kweku Asante is a young man who was raised by a single parent. According to him, his mother has toiled to provide him the best of education from the basic level through to the university. He graduated from the University of Cape Coast with a second-class upper degree in 2012. As required by law, the Ghana National Service Scheme established in 1973 provides the opportunity for tertiary education graduates to exercise their civic responsibility towards the state through service, so he was posted to the Ministry of Food and Agriculture in Mamprugu in the Northern Region to render service to the nation. He shared his experience with me.
It was quite an experience, not that I learned something handy or anything, but I was an errand boy for my ministry. Yeah.
Right, so if you say an errand boy, what exactly were you doing?
Oh, honestly, I did nothing that an intern would learn, but rather I was there outside buying, I was being sent to buy porridge and all that food and stuff.
In the interview, Kweku Asante also disclosed to me that he thinks his future is bleak as his service period was not beneficial to him. He said though he has applied to some companies for a job, he is worried he does not have the requisite skills which could have been acquired during the service period to enable him secure a job.
I think having learned anything, I would be quite useless in the next job firm that I find myself.
It is generally expected that unemployment rate decreases with the level of education. However, in Ghana, well-educated groups are faced with high unemployment. This has forced some graduates in the country to establish the Unemployed Graduates Association in a bid to draw government's attention on the need to make concrete interventions to reduce the rate of graduate unemployment in the country. Kweku Asante's story is not peculiar. There are several graduates out there who are at a loss with regard to what to do next now that service period is over.
For me, for instance, I completed Accra Poly 2008. And after my service, during our badge, when I don't know when they talk to the government, they should hold employment at the government sector for a while. So since then, I've been applying elsewhere and other things, but as of now, I'm still searching.
There is a need for government to restructure the National Service Scheme and make other interventions in order to reduce the rate of unemployed graduates in the country. Nabil Ahmed Rufai, ETV News.